Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a very quick video on how to install some of these. These are LED projector door lights. So these replace the standard puddle lights on your car, which sit underneath your door, and normally you'll just have a pool of light, and these project an image and look much cooler. Let me show you how to do it. Tools you'll need is one of these, plastic trim tool, and to release the electrical connection, just a thin flat screwdriver. These are the standard puddle lights you get underneath your doors. As you can see, they are just on the bottom of the door card. So you get the trim tool, you can just see here there's a little bit of an edge. Get the trim tool underneath there. Yeah, and just pull it out like that. You'll see the clip there, look. Then all you need to do, it gets very hot, I'll warn you. Release, push down this tab on here, now it comes. Simple as that. That's very hot. Take the new one. Okay, put the connector in. See, it's working already. Make sure I've got that around the right way. Just push it in. Bit loose, that one. Simple as that. Here's the finished article. Thanks for watching. I hope that helps you in some way, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye for now.